Officially today, we made it up to 88 degrees. Normally, we should be about 70 degrees, so 18 degrees above average there. But look at what we woke up to this morning, 70 degrees. That's our average daytime high. By the way, this is the third day in a row we've had an overnight temperature at 70 degrees or warmer. Since 1998, when records began at Cho, we had 0. And we've had 3 in a row now. So that's the kind of warmth that we've been dealing with for the past couple of days now. Normally, we should be about 46 degrees. Over the next several days, we're not getting close to the overnight low temperature anytime soon. I mean, the lowest one is about 50 by next Tuesday morning. But the normal high will be a lot closer to that, maybe even slightly below it by the time Thursday and Friday roll around. Temperatures out there right now, I mean, I just don't know what else to say. It's ridiculous. With 72 in Livingston, Standardsville, and Orange, 71 in Madison, 75 in the city of Charlottesville, Palmyra, and Louisa. Now, if this was about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, sure, yeah, fine, dandy, okay, slightly above average, no big deal. This is 11 o'clock at night, and it still feels like the middle of summer out there. And with the dew point near 71 degrees in the oppressive category, that means temperatures not falling off that much. 72 our forecast low in the city of Charlottesville. So we're looking at the 4th straight morning with 70-degree weather or warmer. Unheard of in October. 70 in Standardsville and Orange. 73 in Palmyra and 68 for those of us in Crozet. And you see the chance for rain icon there. That's because there is a warm front off to the north or south of us. That warm front is slowly lifting our direction. There's a little bit of rain associated with that front, so if you hear the pitter-patter of rain on your window in the overnight hours, just know that that's why it's occurring. It's not going to be drought-busting rain, maybe a 1/4 of an inch of rain if we're lucky. I think many of us experience lower rain totals than that. Cold front off to the west of us. This cold front moves through later on tomorrow, allows an area of high pressure back across southern Canada to nudge into the northeast. When that happens, we get into a northeasterly breeze, couple that with clouds, and that's why we're forecasting temperatures to remain in the 60s both Thursday and Friday. But for your Wednesday, mid to upper 60s in the morning, and then as we get into your Wednesday afternoon, very close to 80. Now, I will say this about Wednesday. If we see more sunshine, temperatures could easily, and I mean easily, top out in the middle 80s because the cold front still is back off to the west of us. And that means, well, no cooler weather to help cool us off. So if we see sunshine like we saw today, yeah, we could be just as warm as we were this afternoon. So mid to upper 80s a possibility tomorrow. I'll be completely honest with you there. Thursday morning, lower 60s. Northeasterly breeze has kicked in. Clouds and maybe a little bit of drizzle abound. Thursday afternoon, we'll top out in the upper 60s, very close to 70. This is what we call cold air damming, or CAD. It occurs every so often throughout the year, and usually it brings us cooler weather. And honestly, this is the only way we are going to be able to cool off anytime soon here in your 7-day forecast, with 80 for your Wednesday. And again, if we see more sunshine tomorrow, mid-80s easily attainable. Thursday and Friday, northeasterly breeze kicks in, and notice what that does to temperatures. Keeps us in the upper 60s, closer to 70. But as we break out into more sunshine Saturday and Sunday, I mean, we're back into the 80s again, with 81 Saturday, 83 for your Sunday. Overnight lows remaining in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And again, average is mid-40s for this time of year. And we'll get closer to that as a cold front rolls through next Monday afternoon, with maybe a few showers associated with it. But cooler weather does look to return to central Virginia, and lower humidity. I've had a number of you ask, when is the lower humidity going to return? It's going to return eventually, but the next couple of days, it's going to stick around, and especially Thursday and Friday, it's going to be on the damp side.
My non-meteorological, how hot is it story?
How hot is it?
So young Abby wasn't sleeping so good last night.
Okay.
She's 6 months old. It happens. I'm rocking her to sleep, and the air conditioner kicked on.
Of course.
It's like 3 in the morning in October. The air conditioner kicked on because it had to.
It really did. Mine's been working overtime, and we'll get a break by maybe Thursday, Friday, but especially next week.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, David. Well, firefighters in California